Okay, namaste. Top of the day in the highest vibrations. If this is your first time meeting my acquaintance, it's your girl Tears. No E's, only threes for alignment. Excuse me, an alignment of the mind, body, and soul is why we're here today. Now, if you just seen, I was just getting myself anointed with some sweet blessings anointing oil we have here at informalmatters777.com. But if you don't know, I am the holistic artist behind it all. But fast forward past all that, the reason I am here is because I understand that there's a dream you have, an aspiration you have. And I know that you are meant to live it out in your highest favor in this lifetime. So, yeah, sometimes the journey can be journeying. So, what I'm here to do is help bring that beautiful insight to your path or why things may look like it's not going the way it should be. But little do you know, it's all part of the strengthening process. So, without further ado, let's get into those with life path number one. Now, just to let you know, all of my insights going to be based by life paths. So if you do not know what your life path is, not only do I offer insight on my website, but you could just comment your date of birth below if you feel comfortable, and I'll just reply with the number. Now, details, you got to come back for more, but definitely I'll give that to you at no additional charge. All right, give me 1 second. We're setting the energy. Have you had your tea yet? All right, thank you. With the blessings of the source of all creation, I ask for your protection, your guidance, and the assistance with the highest vibrations for those in life path number one. Let's see what the energy has for those going into November of the month, but also whenever this energy seems to find them, let this message be the time that is ready to align with them as well. I thank you, and I know that everything is only getting better. So let us begin. All right. So before we begin, let's really see what the theme is behind your life, your journey, life path number one for the month of November. Okay, so a few things are already popping up. Life path number one. But let me go ahead and get a Celtic cross in just to really get into the energy before we go into abbreviating on it. Now, if you've been a long time, one of my original subscribers, listen, things are probably looking a little different. First of all, I've been gone for a while. I've been metamorphosizing. I've been really like getting my little chakras aligned as well. I'm saying little, but we know that's big energy, okay? But overall, what I'm using right now, I have a few decks outside of my own creation, but the main deck I'll be using definitely with the Celtic Cross today is the Golden Source Tarot deck. And so this is my own personal creation, and I love it so much. It's really talks about like well, everything is based off the mind, body, soul aspects of the journey. So that's what I love is a different perspective we're used to when it comes to, getting the insight of tarot. And I made it especially so not only are we just like connecting with ourselves, our higher selves, our consciousness, but we're able to come with the solution as well. So, yeah, let me know how you feel about this insight. And it is more information available down below in the description box. But like, let's get into it. All right. Thank you. Yes, I'm going to put the mic there for now. All right. This little theme. What can I get for the Celtic Cross? Life path number one. All right. Present, future, crossover. Base foundation. High result. you outside influence the way forward and result. All right, are we here now? Okay. Yes. All right. So, life path number one, let's get into this energy. What we have going on when it comes to your theme based on our oracle cards, lately you may have been feeling like you've been moving completely different, like as if something has taken over your body, taken over your mind in a sense. But what has taken over is you, that source energy within. Right now you're in this state where you're channeling from your higher consciousness. It's like it's just spirit took hold of everything that you're doing right now, definitely redirecting your path. If I was to see, let me mind my business, let's wait and see what the cards reveal. But yes, you're in this place. We got the cards of conduit, we got the cards of protection, and we have the cards of higher consciousness. So, like I said, you're being overwhelmed in a good way by your higher consciousness. So it probably has you walking away from things, situations. Maybe you even feel like you walked away from your job or something you once held very highly of, but it's all part of the plan. So know that you're being protected during this time. But let's really get into it. Let's see what the foundation of everything is. Okay. Yes. So the foundation of everything that's coming in the month of November is bringing emphasis on the things that did not fulfill you. All right. Let's get more into it. Let me flip all these cards over. hmm Okay, so I got quite a few upside down cards, and I am going to honor the fact that they're upside down. So, yes, the foundation of the month of November is you going back over and seeing what it is that didn't fulfill you in the past. Now, for yourself, I do have a guidebook available, but I'm just going to use my intuition in this situation. Okay. But yes, check it out for yourself. So, life path number one, you're going to be looking over in this month of November of what didn't work out when it came to bringing you that all around fulfillment, right? Maybe it was the relationship that didn't work out. Maybe it was the partnerships that didn't work out. But I'm hearing heavy on like business deals and stuff that didn't work out. But more so, these are going to be coming back, to your consciousness to bring attention to it. Now, in the past, it shows that you had a lot of collaborations going through. You had a good time working with another person. And I'm feeling this is very heavy when it comes to your finances, all right? When it comes to the way you were making money. So you had some collaborations going through that should have been in your highest favor in the past. Because in this present moment, you guys are actually working towards it, right? In this present moment, you're coming together to help come up with these ideas to propel you financially. Now, the thing is, now that you're getting these ideas of these people you got with in the past, you need to exercise temperance, right? It's because you're getting these ideas now, and that's the best part. But now it comes with a little turbulence as Scorpio season is taking heat. So in the midst of all this time that you are going to be making ideas to move forward, you have to also deal with the past that's resurfacing to say, hey, is this what we really want? Is this what we really want to go forward with? But in the future, what you have to look forward to is that you're going to be embarking on this new beginning. But in order to move into this new beginning, right, you have to reconnect with that inner child within you. So your ticket to peace as you're coming together with these collaborations and new partnerships within your business, within even friendships that's going to help exude like the business aspects of your journey, you need to go back and resurface, not resurface, but restabilize and recenter of the foundation of what is it that your inner child want, because that's what's going to maintain the peace on your journey. Now, what's going on for you is that there's a new opportunity presenting itself. But the question is, are you willing to go forward in this opportunity? That's what it's saying. Yes. Give me a second. Let me actually clarify. I'm going to clarify your best outcome real quick and the foundation. All right. I'm going to clarify the Ten of Hearts. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So with the Ten of Hearts, the fact that you will be revisiting past outlines of what didn't work in the past, but overall, you will be lifting out of that mindset of feeling defeated. You will be finding the solutions that your wisdom is now granting you with the privilege of going back and seeing it. Now, the thing is, as well, I'm going to save this card when we get into it. We are moving into, you will be moving into a new beginning as well, into a new journey. However, you are a little reluctant into going into it because of the constant resurfacing of what's going on with you mentally. So I want you to know that it's something that you will overcome. However, at the same time, it's about really grounding yourself during this time. So, yes, during this time as well, outside of you, you may not be receiving any more new ideas. You may feel like you're stuck in that moment. And that is why it's so important that we're going to exercise temperance. Because remember, the most important ideas you have, you guys already started thinking about it and coming to the surface with it in the past. So if any new ideas aren't coming, it's because you need to go and finish the ideas that was initially brought up to you in the past within this group. Now, as these ideas will be coming, like I said, new ideas will not come as fluent as you're expecting it to until the past ideas have been properly implemented. So yes, you can worry you should not fear just being in a space of, it's not stalemate, but it's just like slow and steady in a good way. So it's not going to be fast, it's going to be the right way. And during this time as well, when you have this past surfacing and coming back, you want to be in this position where you can block out and set up boundaries. And it's when you set these boundaries that you're actually going to be able to move forward the way that you're expecting to. Because overall, what you have to look forward to is that it's maybe a little hard for you to drop other obligations you have made outside of these business opportunities from the past as well. And it's in dropping these obligations that's actually going to bring the more clarity and a better flow of abundance to your journey through your source energy. But listen, remember, you are in this place where you are channeling from your higher consciousness. Bottom of the deck, we have the high priestess. So, yes, while you're busy manifesting and setting up your intentions to the universe, of course, everything may not flow as you expect it to during this November because it's more so going to be a purging event. But what you can look forward to is that the initial ideas you set forward from the past are actually going to propel everything forward. It's just that in the midst of getting these new ideas implemented, there may be a short term time to stop and readjust what's happening, right? So there may feel like a rush to like check the time and everything else. But no, all you need to do is stand strong on the idea you have, and it will be coming to pass. Just allow yourself the grace and the authority to not be afraid to say, you know what, my dreams are more important to these other obligations that are trying to distract me. But yes, I'm going to pull a few more cards of what we had to look forward to. Life path number one. And also, as you can see, Informal Matter 777 has been expanding in a good way, I like to say. So just for you, life path number one, if this message is something that brings value to your journey, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. But at the same time, I am going to give away one surprise box from my website to a lucky winner of Life Path number 1. So, yes, comment, let me know how you felt, and then I'll have a random drawing by the end of November, okay, in that last week, and I will give you your very own Golden Source Tarot deck. But yes, let's see what our last words of encouragement are for you. All right, the last card we have, Life Path number 1. One card, I thought that was going to be the card, but this is your card. Just to let you know of why things are going the way it's going to go. It's an initiation taking place within your journey. So don't be overwhelmed, but be empowered and know that divine grace is on your side. Well, until next alignment, check out more I have in store on this website, well, on this site, but you can also check out my website for more insight and tools for your journey. But until next alignment, I am looking forward to hearing all the great stuff. But once again, I am Tears, no E's, only threes for alignment. Namaste.